Hello everyone! Today we're diving into terrifying snake encounters caught on camera, featuring shocking moments where giant snakes suddenly appear, leaving people terrified and completely panic-stricken. Seemed really fascinated by his shoes, but that was still incredibly dangerous. It was fighting against two dogs all by itself. Oh. Oh, that was so unexpected. How was it even able to get inside there? A snake and a cat are fighting. Which one do you think would win? Here's another shocking moment of a snake crawling inside a car hood, but that was terrifying. Everyone in the water immediately started panicking. It's unbelievable that he was still able to stay calm and keep driving.
What is this? Indiana Jones?
There's no way I could stay calm on that bed anymore. This snake is enormous. Its attack power must be incredibly dangerous as well. Why didn't he stop the car? What would you do if you came across a giant snake like this in the middle of the road?
Where's the biggest snake ever?
It's like a thin green washing veil.
Was he really not scared at all?
I'm an rodent control officer, because snakes can't hear you anyway.
That was definitely a heart-stopping moment. That's absolutely terrifying. It's hard to believe such a massive snake was hiding inside the house. It seems like they didn't even notice it. He was incredibly brave. Was it actually enjoying that? Oh, that looked absolutely horrifying.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Ya ampun. Ya ampun.
Let's totally beat it.
Murder snake den.
No, this looks like we're breeding.
Two heron reserve.
Well, always see the smell of video is atrocious. You don't realize a bunch of them like this.
There's no way I could stay calm and keep driving in a situation like that.
ก่อนแล้วจะปล่อยยังไงนี่มันก่อนอย่ามุดไปไหนแล้วเอ้าพี่ระวัง
Of a swift water rescue.
It wanted to go on the adventure with him too, didn't it?
I'm going to be very upset if you bite me. No one else is going to be upset, but I'm going to be upset. Let's find you a tree. Your tongue kayak toward me.
Terrifying snake encounters caught on camera delivered countless spine-chilling moments that left viewers completely shaken. Which moment scared you the most? And how would you react if you encountered a snake in real life?